What's up, YouTube? Stuff Sports Cards here again. Just put up a video a few minutes ago asking people team spots or hobby boxes, and I didn't really mention the video, but I want to know which would you be more likely to buy, team spots or hobby boxes? Team spots in case they're box breaks, or just a full-blown hobby box and have me break it or just ship it to you? Because, you know, I'd like to break it and show the world, and I'm sure you would if you get a big hit. What you got and kind of brag, and I get to have some fun breaking it. Let me apologize. I meant earlier to say I'm a little bit under the weather this week, as I am. I'm a little stopped up, but that's a different story. This is a subscriber contest. For those of you subscribe to me, and those of you aren't subscribed to me, if you subscribe to me and you say you were referred by, I don't know, Jim Bob, then Jim Bob will get one point, I guess you could say. We'll do some points, 1 point per person that is referred for the contest, and whoever has the most points gets a free spot in a case break or hobby break. So if Jim Bob has, you know, there's 10 people that come to subscribe to me and say they're referred by Jim Bob, then Jim Bob will have 10 points. So honestly, what I'm trying to do is get more subscribers and, you know, more buyers. I'm trying to get my name out there, get this out there, and this is a way to get, you know, a little cool way to get someone in a free break, because that break could be, you know, you could get a huge card. And whether I do a draft for those or whether I just, you know, I may even let you pick your own team. You know, you can pick any team you want just for helping me out. So this is a contest for just spread the word to your friends, you know, people that aren't your friends. Just have them come here, subscribe to me, and whoever has the most referrals will get a free spot. And if you are a new subscriber and you refer more people than the old subscribers, then I'll give you the free spot. But anyone has any questions, message me, comment, but just spread the word out there, and you'll get a free spot in a hobby or case break. So just spread the word, and thanks again. And again, I want to know your feedback. Team spots or hobby boxes, which one would you be more likely to buy? Thanks again.